Hi guys, I'm Talha from Technical Office. In this video, I will show you how to make great thumbnails like you see in the YouTube of my video thumbnail. I will show you how to create thumbnail like this. You can see here I have created this thumbnail for you as a sample, so how you can create these kind of thumbnails. So don't waste any time. So you don't need anything, you don't need Photoshop, you just need your smartphone and internet connection. So you have to come on to your Chrome browser and search for light and glue effect in Photoshop. So you have to search for light and glue effect in Photoshop. So I have to come on to images. You can see here this image. You have to download this image or you can download it in Pinterest. So after downloading after downloading image, you have to come on to canva.com. After coming to canva.com, a link will be in the description below. So on canva.com, you can see here a lot of thumbnails are a lot of templates and a lot of elements are not free. You can see here this is the icon of you have to upgrade to a pro plan, but in this video I will show you a free thumbnail, how to you can create a free thumbnail. If you have money, this is good to create to upgrade to a pro plan. This website link will be in the description below. So I will not use any template, so I have to come on to create a new. So watch the full video, don't skip the video, and please subscribe the channel and like the video. So we have to wait and see what's coming up. So I will skip the video because video will get too much longer, so I will skip it. So this is coming, so we will have to wait. So you can see here I have didn't choose any template, so I will click on this. So I will click on the plus icon, so I will click on uploads. So I have uploaded a lot of thumbnails, I have uploaded my image, sorry, and this image that I have downloaded. So you can see here I have downloaded this image from Pinterest and I will have to upload it right now to Canva. So I have to click on it and pick that up. So I have to set it. So after this you have to come on to adjust. After coming to adjust, you have to get the brightness and the contrast, so which looks better you have to choose it with your hertz. So you have to choose it with your hertz. I will choose it with my hertz, so I will click on it. So you have to wait which one is looks better. So you can see here I have skipped the video for didn't take it too long. So you have to create it like this one by adjusting. So I have to click on the plus icon and I have uploaded my image here. So you can see here I have uploaded my images. I have to select it right now, so I have to big it. So this is free. So you can see here I am adjusting my image. So you can see here. So what is so you can see here you can do a lot with your images like color effects, filter adjustment, so cropping. So there is a lot and a lot of options. So I have to create a plus icon, and so after touching on the plus icon, we have to click on text, and we will have to add a heading. So you can choose a lot of other text, but I will show you in the sample for the heading, so you can choose a lot of others. So I will edit it right now. So I will choose how to make, and I will choose, so I will click on this and I will pick that up. So you can see here. So I have to change the color of it, so don't skip the video. So this is the right option. So you have to click on the plus icon, and after clicking on the plus icon you have to click on elements, and you have to choose a rectangle. After searching for rectangle, so rectangle will have to become, so I will choose on this rectangle. So you can see here I will small that. So again I will click on the plus icon. After clicking on the plus icon you have to add another text. I will click on the text and I will choose another font. So I will click on the heading. After clicking on the heading I will choose another font in the heading section. So you have to watch the full video, and please subscribe to the channel, and please like the video. So I will choose a YouTube. I will write YouTube. So after writing YouTube, so you have to customize this. I will customize it. So you can see here I have picked the YouTube text, so I will change the color. So I will click on the text and change the color. So sorry, and click on the text and I will choose the color of it, which color is superb. So I will choose this color, and you can see here you can bold it, and you can see here the font. So you can choose any font, you can see here. So you can choose anyone, but a lot of their fonts are in the pro plan, so I have to choose one from, I will choose semi bold. So you can see here semi bold have been applied, and I have to get the rectangle. I will click on the plus icon and click on elements, and I will click on, so you can see here a lot of rectangles. You have to search for rectangle and pick that rectangle up, and you have to customize your thumb. So I have customized YouTube text. So now you have to click on a plus icon again, and you have to search for YouTube. After searching for YouTube, this logo will come up, and the first you have to choose this logo. So You can create any kind of a thumbnail, but I will show you how you can create a thumbnail like I have created in. So after picking that up, you have to click again on the plus icon. After clicking again on the plus icon, so you have to search for money. So you have to search for money. So you have to search. After searching for money, a lot of results will come. So I will use this. You can use any element and you can use charts. So I will use this for your, for example. So I have to customize. So I have to click on the plus icon again, and I have to search for a text. So I have to click on add a subheading. I will add a subheading. So I will add it there, and so don't skip the video. So I will pick that up and I will customize this. So after I customized the text, so I have to change the font of it. So I have to change the font. So I will select any other font. So I will select Algeria. So Algeria. So this is the font that I have selected. So you can see here, and I will change the color of my font. So I will change it to the white like this. So this is the font, and I will change its style to be format, and I will italic. So you can see here, this is the font. So after this, you have to click on the plus icon. So after clicking on the plus icon, I have to click on uploads, and I have created these thumbnails for the sample. So I have to, after this, you have to choose that and this. So you have to again click on the plus icon, and you have to go to elements, and you have to choose one, and you have to search for frame, and these frames will come up. I will click on this TV frame. So I will click on this. So after choosing my frame, I will customize my frame. I will do that to there, and I will click on my thumbnail, and I will get that smaller, and so I will click on it. I will click on this. So I will this. So you can see here, I have put it in my TV frame. So you have to click again on the plus icon. After clicking again on the plus icon, you have to choose another frame. Like I will choose this laptop frame for the sample. So I will small this and customize this to, so I will like there. So I will click on the plus icon again. After clicking on the plus icon, I will go to uploads, and I will upload my another image, another thumbnail. So we have to small this with the laptop frame size. I will get that and small it. So I will small it like a laptop size in the frame. So I will put it in the laptop. So you can see here, this have been setted my thumbnail, and you can customize your text, yeah, right here. So you have to do it like this. So you have to choose this rectangle, so you can do it. So you can see here our thumbnail have been set it, and please subscribe the channel and like the video, and don't forget to visit my website called educatingoffice.com. And unless for that video, like the video, share the video with your friends, and please subscribe the channel. Bye.